A few weeks ago, Xiaomi released the Xiaomi 13T Pro, which is quite an impressive phone, and if you're considering buying it this festive season, here are 5 reasons to convince you. First is the display. Boasting a pretty big 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, the Xiaomi 13T Pro commands attention with its vibrant colors and impressive clarity. It's quite beautiful, and with the resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, you get a lot of detail, making images and text crisp and immersive. What makes the display even better is the super fast 144Hz screen refresh rate. Of course, it's adaptive, adjusting between 60Hz and 144Hz, saving energy during idle moments, while also ramping up to the higher refresh rates when doing heavy activities like high-intensity gaming. Xiaomi made claims of it having a peak brightness of 2600 nits for HDR highlights, making it one of the brightest displays ever witnessed on a smartphone, ensuring an amazing experience even in challenging lighting conditions. Furthermore, with Dolby Vision support, you get a more detailed and better color accuracy when watching movies and TV shows. When it comes to protection, the screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, which is sufficient enough to protect it from the normal day-to-day accidental drops. In general, the display is more than good enough for watching movies and shows, fast enough for playing games, and bright enough to be used for outdoors. It's a premium display. Secondly, the performance. Underneath the exterior, you get a powerhouse of a performance, making it ideal for heavy users. Fueling it is the formidable MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, a flagship processor that ensures a seamless and responsive user experience, effortlessly handling every heavy-duty task thrown its way. Whether it's high-intensity gaming or even video editing, be rest assured that it will perform well without any lag or stutter. And when it comes to memory and storage, options include configurations with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, coupled with storage capacities of either 256GB, 512GB or 1TB. This abundance of memory and storage options ensures that your demands are met with ease regardless of how you use your phone. In essence, with this phone, performance should be the least of your worries. The camera of the Xiaomi 13T Pro also stands as a compelling reason to consider this phone. We all love a good camera on our phones, and with this phone, you get it. It is a triple rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main shooter equipped with optical image stabilization, capturing moments with amazing clarity and stability. The 50-megapixel telephoto lens offers 2 times optical zoom, bringing distant subjects closer without sacrificing detail. And complementing these, a fixed focus 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, great for capturing landscapes and group shots. For your selfie moments, you get a front-facing 20-megapixel camera. Just like fellow Xiaomi flagships, the camera has been tuned by Leica, so you get 2 modes: authentic, delivering natural colors, and vibrant, for those who prefer a saturated, vibrant look. The rear camera can record 8K video at 24 frames per second, and while that may seem extreme, it doesn't hurt having it. It can still shoot in 4K at a smoother 60fps, which comes in handy when making cinematic videos. However, the selfie camera, while delivering quality images, falls short in terms of video capabilities, capped at 1080p despite being in a flagship device. Another reason to consider buying this phone is the charging speeds. First of all, it comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which is a big battery and can effortlessly last a full day of heavy usage, making it an ideal companion for most of us. And when your battery dies, it supports 120W superfast charging, with the ability to fully charge your phone in less than 25 minutes. So you'll probably never worry about your battery life. You'll spend more time enjoying your device instead of being connected to a charger. And that brings us to our last reason, the unboxing experience. I can't even believe that it's a reason, but here we are. We are in an era where smartphone companies are shipping phones with basically nothing in the box except a cable. They claim it's for the environment, but we all know it's just to sell chargers separately and make more money. Anyways, with this phone, you get pretty much everything, including the 120W fast charger and even a transparent protective case. This small gesture already puts this phone ahead of fellow iPhone, Samsung and Pixel flagships. At around $700 or even less, would you buy it? Let us know in the comments down below. Personally, I believe that it's even a better deal than the iPhone 15. Thanks for watching, I'm Milan and this is Fuzitech. Subscribe.